Welcome to Deepak's kitchen. We are diving into the heart of Karnataka's breakfast culture with the trio that's beloved as it is delicious. That's perfect and authentic hotel style Chow Chow Bath. Imagine this, a perfect harmony of savory and sweet served side by side. On one hand, you have the spicy aromatic Khara Bath bursting with the flavors of that Wangiad powder and fresh vegetables, and in the other, the luscious melt in your mouth Kesari Bath, infused with that sweetness of pineapple and the richness of ghee. It's a breakfast that's guaranteed to awaken your senses and leave you craving for more. So let's get cooking and let's get started and let's see how to make this perfect hotel style Chow Chow Bath. Let's start with the savory star of the show, that's Khara Bath, and these are the ingredients required for it. Take a screenshot of it if you want. Khara Bath. In a pan, heat up some oil, nearly 125 ml of it, and adds a spoonful of mustard seeds. Listen to them pop and sizzle. Next to it, add gram dal, green chilies, a handful of crunchy cashew nuts. Give them a quick saute until the cashew nuts are golden brown. Now that's the signature aroma. Add a sprig of fresh curry leaves. Next, add your finely chopped onions and saute them until they are translucent and sweet. Stir in and add some ginger garlic paste. The garlic is totally optional. And salt to taste. Now add the vegetables. I'm using capsicum today, but feel free to add your favorite. Saute them until the raw smell disappears. Now the magic ingredient, the Wangiad powder. This aromatic blend is what gives Khara Bath its unique flavor. Add a generous spoonful of along with some freshly grated coconut. Mix it all together until the spices are well combined. Time to add in the rava semolina. I'm taking the Bansi rava. Gently fold it into a mixture and cook it for about 4 minutes on low heat, letting it absorb all those wonderful flavors. Now for the final touches, a sprinkle of the fresh coriander leaves, squeeze in a lime juice for that zesty kick. Finally, pour in some water. Use 3.5 cups of water for every 1 cup of rava. That's 1:3.5 ratio. It's very important. Keep that in mind. Give it a good stir. Cover the pan and let it cook on low heat for about 10 minutes. And there you have it. Perfectly fluffy and flavorful Khara Bath is now ready to taste. Just like that. And now let's move on to the sweet side of the story. That's the Kesari Bath. And these are the ingredients required for it. In another pan, heat up a generous amount of ghee. For an example, if you are taking nearly 250 grams of rava, that's 1 cup of rava, you need to add nearly 125 grams of ghee and oil. If you want to do only in ghee, you can do that also, but I'm taking ghee and oil. Add some raisins, cashew nuts, and saute them until they are golden and plump. Throw in a few cloves for a subtle spicy note. Once the nuts are toasted, take out 3 spoonfuls of ghee and set it aside for later use. Now add your rava and cook it on a low heat. For about 4 minutes until it's lightly toasted and fragrant. Next, add the sugar, about 1 cup of sugar for every 1 cup of rava. It is 1:1 for the sweetness. For fruity twist, I'm going to add some pineapple puree, or you can use squash also. Stir it all together and add a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. Now add some cardamom powder and a touch of turmeric for that beautiful golden color. Finally, pour in 2.5, that's 2.5 cups of hot water for every 1 cup of rava. That's 1:2.5. Stir well, cover the pan and let it cook on a low heat for about 10 minutes. Once it's cooked, drizzle that reserved ghee over the top for an extra layer of richness. And there you have it. And this is the technique where this Rava Kesari will be soft for longer time. This is the hotel style technique. And there you have it. Silky smooth, irresistibly sweet Kesari Bath is now ready to taste. And there you have it, folks, the perfect Chow Chow Bath, a symphony of flavors and texture that's sure to bring up your breakfast table. Serve them side by side and watch them disappear in no time. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more delicious and authentic recipes. Comment below letting me know what you think about it. Until next time, this is Deepaks signing off and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Namaskara.